walking to the happiest place on earth with coffee. We're here, it's already muggy and close, very muggy and close. I think it's because I've got a rucksack on my back as well, that doesn't help.
It's always got to be labelled what's muggy, isn't it?
It is, it's muggy and close.
It's pleasant, we can walk around without a hoodie. And the sun will come out later and it'll be boiling.
Yeah, I know, it's already boiling. How are you with your ears?
Yeah, we brought these last time we were here, me and Holly. Recycling.
Recycle, absolutely.
Yeah,
So, walking under a bridge, just tell the wonderful viewers all about these fantastic flowers that there's on the side of the roads.
The gardens on here are absolutely gorgeous. Last time we were here in sort of May, June, and there was this lovely smell of these little white, was it like jasmine or something, wasn't it? Whereas now I think it's moved on a little bit in the season, so we've got all these lovely foliage, green plants, little great, massive, big purple flowers. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous gardens, flowers. Really pretty.
So we're walking to the theme park entrance, which is just over the top yonder bit of a hill. The hotel said it'd be 10-minute walk. Been a bit more than that so far.
10 minutes, yeah. Oh, you are in a whinging mood.
I'm not in a whinging mood.
More than 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
I'm judging by my coffee and it's starting to go cold now.
It feels like you walk a long time. I'm just trying to balance a hot drink in your hand.
Anyway, we'll be happier once we're in the happiest place on earth.
Yeah.
But until then, I shall be moody and grumpy and stingy. It's muggy and warm and close. Do you know what? I'm already feeling happier.
You're the happiest
Because
person on earth.
that's right. And the smell of pizza or pretzels or donuts or anything else.
Disneyland are just like, the smell.
They are great. So we're currently in downtown Disney. We've come from the far side.
Yeah, last time we came in right over there. We came up here last time, so we're going there. There's a pet shop. They're not technically sold like pet things. We got teasers some little cravat things, didn't we? Did we go here for food? Yeah.
Yes, we did. Just at the top. Top of it. Was it here? No, I think it was at the top.
A pizza.
Yeah, it was at the top there.
Massive.
Wasn't there?
And then you did like a
Family pizza.
Yeah.
You did a video here.
And we thought we were going to take some of the pizza away with us. Right, we'll get the big pizza because then we'll take it a bit away. It was a bit late in the day, wasn't it? So.
We ate the whole lot. Yeah, monorail's just over the corner that takes you to every part of the place. So we're just entering the top part now. So we're going to, fingers crossed, get entry into the park if everything's all in order. Because last time we were here, we had to print all our bits and bobs, but that was pre-COVID. This is post-COVID now, so things are a little bit different. As long as you've got your reservations, that's all they're bothered about. And so we went to the trouble of getting those reservations a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah,
you have to book in advance.
There's two parks here, California Adventure and Disneyland, so you have to book which park you want to go in first each day. And you can only be in that park first until it gets to 1 o'clock. Is it 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock, yeah, 1 p.m, yeah.
And then you can start doing your switching around and your hopping. So you have to choose a park at 1 o'clock and then move around.
So we're near the entrance.
So it shows in Disneyland is our first park today.
Yeah. So Disneyland and
But we can go to California Adventure after 1.
Ben wants to go to Smugglers Run first, which is Galaxy's Edge.
We've been planning our route for us to get straight to the
Main Street up to the castle. Take a
He taps. I don't like tapping. He taps all the time.
West, east, left, or whatever it is. Well, a direction that goes like a bit to the left, up, and then right up, straight
This
up.
is where you did a bit of a video for our
We did.
ever video.
Yeah, at the fountain. I danced at the fountain at night time.
Yeah, we did that.
And the other side of here is where we stopped for a little bit of food as well because we were so hungry. So just at the side of this place here. Yeah. So, let's crack on. Main Street. This is where the magic happens. Already seen Mickey and Goofy on a float in front of us. Loads of different refreshments, bars, shops, stuff you can buy merch. There's cinemas, there's penny arcades, there's all sorts. And it's just brilliant to see it busy, isn't it? Just amazing. And it doesn't feel like we've been away from the place. Oh, it is good. So good. So we're heading down towards the castle right now, and the statue of Walt and Mickey, which we'll show you in just a couple of seconds' time. Heading right now to Galaxy's Edge, so walking through all these wonderful old style Dumbo, got the train ride, we've just passed Pinocchio, Mr. Toad ride, so we're on the way, Frontierland and Galaxy's Edge. Right, we're walking down here because Ben says he's studied the map and it's definitely down here.
That says Frontierland down there. No. There it is.
Oh, are you getting the vibes, man?
We're gonna hurry up, there's barely anyone there. Look, there's like...
Look at these.
Feel like a bit of moving, I just got chilled, I just got goosebumps.
Wow.
I remember this was boarded up here.
Yeah.
Was it?
I remember, because last time we were here it was all boarded up and it was ready to launch.
The day before you left.
The day before we left. And here we are in another land. What do you think, man? Look at it. You got a picture of it? So this is Millennium Falcon, this is Smugglers Run that we're entering now. Wait time's not too bad, 15 minutes for this one, so actually did very good. Look at this. Wow.
Very dangerous. Oh, okay, you say so. Someone get that guy over here immediately. What was that? Nothing. Good luck. See you. I get off profits. What? The first door will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, alright. We better go before he changes his mind.
We're actually sat at the table where they played chess. Holographic chess. How amazing is this?
Ben, sing your song. Whistle your song.
I flew upside down and I went in between two jets.
Let's get down. Great job, my friend. One container of Coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
How good was that, guys? It was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. You only saw the little tail end that I recorded there because I wanted to experience it rather than just vlogging it through a lens. It was brilliant.
If you get assigned different colours, we get different like
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
It was so good though, really good.
When he couldn't drive, she was trying to get behind the train, but like, get behind the train, like that.
No, it was fun. It's just motion sickness. Yeah.
So much.
Second part to Galaxy's Edge, you said.
We just had Mandalorian juice and a Tatooine sunset, which I really liked. It was very peachy and very tea flavoured type thing.
There we go.
Yeah. And the Mandalorian juice was very, very sweet. So here we are in the second part, and this
This
is
is people's favourite today.
Rise of the Resistance. X-Wing fighter. It's there. Look at that. Yeah. Wow. Cool stuff. Hi.
That was so close.
We're queuing up for Rise of the Resistance right now. It was grounded and they'd stopped everyone getting on it until they fixed it. But it sounds as if it's fixed and it looks like we're actually going down the queue now, which is great, so fingers crossed.
So similar to GTA.
We're being interrogated. We are being interrogated, so we've been taken hostage.
Shit.
These two droids anyway.
Whoa!
Prisoners last seen on level D.
How amazing was that, guys?
That was so worth waiting for. You've got to do that for Disneyland. Rise of the Resistance.
You can see why it's 20 minutes now.
Just superb.
How to do that? I have no idea. And there's like lots of different rooms we all went to, so that's huge in there.
Submersive, just absolutely amazing. Gotta do it, guys. Gotta do it. Well worth the wait and well worth the British stiff upper lip for waiting.
Yeah, oh, they're amazing.
We can queue. We invented the queue.
We have
just about to go on the Indiana Jones ride now. Now, Ben originally didn't want to go on this ride. Nope, didn't want to, wouldn't want to go. He eventually did once, well, it's a bit dark down here, isn't it? Eventually did once we tricked him into saying it was a story ride.
What should we trick if we didn't know?
Stalactites and stalagmites.